Hey guys, welcome back to Trumbundo 2012, and today, as you can see, we have the 2000 Dodge Ram. It's been the family truck for just over 20 years now. Hasn't been started in literally about 1 year. In January of 2019, today January 14th, 2020, and on January of 2019, we parked this back here, and it hasn't been started since then because it has some kind of problem with it. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's just been sitting here for the last year. So while we still have daylight, we're going to put the battery in it. So let's see what happens. And here's the engine. This poor thing is very dirty. Look at this. I mean, again, it has been sitting here for a year, so. Duracell, superior life and performance. Let's see if it's superior today. Now the dome light's on, you probably can't see it from here, but oh yeah, you can see it turn off in there. Oh, there's a sign that there's life in it. Alright, so now we're going to at least attempt to start it. First time since January of 2019. Here we go. Oh. Oh, it wants to so bad. Oh. Oh, it's not gonna make it. Oh, it died. Oh, it died. No, it didn't. Oh, well, there's some lights. They look very dark, but they do technically work, as well as the taillights. Sorry for making anybody dizzy, but oh, it's smoking. Holy shit, look at that. Sure is smoking. You get a better view of that. Oh wow, look at that. But we got it going. Oh, yeah. Oh. In case you couldn't hear me, said we had to get more gas, just about out. So I guess when we parked it, it was on empty, or almost on empty.
Well, I want to try and move it up there.
Alright. Need to move the Mazda up the hill. So, and for a Mazda startup, there we go. I'm now driving, so we're gonna put this up here. You guys get to see me drive now. Hopefully it stays on. I don't need my seatbelt, but fuck it. Oh shit. That's gonna fall off. Oh no, it isn't. Alright. In case you're wondering why that was so short of a clip, it's because the camera fell off the windshield. Oh well. So here's the Ram now up the hill. Very dirty, but this is not the time of year that we can just clean this thing because we are in Boston. It's cold. We missed our chance to clean it this weekend. So, oh well. So you probably can't hear me, but in case you can, we're not putting air in the tires. So I'm gonna cut the video off here because I'm gonna go inside and do some homework. So thank you guys for watching the video on starting the 2000 Dodge Ram for the first time in almost a year. Thank you for watching. See you next time.